Hi everyone, it's Scott here from That's English School. これはよくある間違い。Please choice one that you like. Okay, I choice this one. choice 本当は名詞なのになんでみんな動詞として使ってるんだろう。choose と choice の違いと使い分けをよく理解してない方が多いと思います。今回は choose と choice の違いを解説します。ここから英語で話しますので、皆さん最後まで頑張ってね。Okay, let's get started. So here's the deal. We have two words, choose and choice. They kind of look similar. They both start with a CH and end with an E. They kind of sound similar. But, now this is a very, very important point. Choose is a verb. 選ぶ、選択するという動詞。And choice is a noun. 選択、選ぶことという名詞。So let me say that again. Choose is a verb, and choice is a noun. First, let's focus on the verb choose. Forget about the word choice for the moment. Now, there are three main tenses. We have choose, chose, and chosen. The S is pronounced like a Z. Choose, choose, chose, chose, chosen, chosen. Let's look at some example sentences. Choose. I choose Wario every time I play Mario Kart. Choose any cake you like.
Oh.
Choose your words very carefully before you speak. If I had to choose between the three, I take this one. Please choose from this menu. It's pretty difficult to choose. They're choosing which cheese to buy. Why did you choose that job? Children can't choose their parents. If you're enjoying this video, please subscribe to our channel. チャンネルを登録してくださいね。あとは何かわからないことがあったら、ぜひぜひコメント欄のところに、何でも聞いてください。ちゃんと返事しますよ。Thank you. Three other words are similar to choose. Select, elect, and pick. Here's how to use them. First, let's talk about select. This is when you have to choose the absolute best quality or the most suitable one from a large group of things. She selected a wedding dress. So as you know, selecting a wedding dress is a very important decision for a lady, so select is very appropriate. Next we have elect. This is used mainly in politics when choosing a new leader. They elected him as the new mayor. And finally, we have pick. This is used in a very light way when you don't have to think too deeply about the choice you make. Which one should I pick? Pick this one. So, Mayumi, which one are you gonna choose? I'm not sure. They all look so good. But if I choose this one, then I won't be able to choose the chocolate one. Oh, Benjamin, I don't know which one to choose. Listen, why don't you choose the chocolate one? It looks so good. You always choose the cheesecake. Actually, the last time you came here, you chose cheesecake. Okay, but oh my god, I just can't choose. What's this? Strawberry? I've never chosen this one before. Choose that one then. Okay, I'm gonna choose the strawberry one. Nice choice. Moving on, let's talk about chose. Now this is the past tense, but I have found a lot of my students are not good at using this one. Chose. Let's look at some examples. My father chose early retirement. The restaurant that he chose is really nice. I'm so glad I chose this place. I already chose the location. I chose this subject as I thought it would be easier to follow. Now, let's move on to talk about chosen. It's the past participle of choose. Let's look at a few examples. He was chosen to be the next chairman. This is the book which I have chosen. He was chosen to be a member of the team. It was chosen to be in the top 100 castles in Japan. Why were you chosen for this job? We are all here today to choose the new chairperson of our Residents Association. As you know, I have been in charge for the past 12 months. Thank you very much for choosing me. It has been an invaluable experience, but the time has come to pass on the baton to the next person. Oh God, I hope I'm not going to be chosen. It's such a lot of work. And I have my family to take care of, you know. Well, allow me to announce the new chairperson. Oh God, here it comes. I'm sure that you will all agree that we have made an excellent choice. Mrs. Sachiko Yamada. Me? You are lucky enough to have been chosen. Good luck. If you have any questions, don't ask me. I'm very busy at my company. Goodbye. Next up, let's talk about the word choice. Now, this is a very popular word in Japan, but it's often used incorrectly as a verb. So please remember this one point. Choice is a noun. Choice. Let's check out some ways to use it. It wasn't my first choice. Didn't you have any other choices? If there are too many choices, you don't know which one to choose. That was a good choice. It's homework time. Okay, please make an English sentence using this Japanese sentence. 好きな写真を選んでください。コメント欄のところに答えを書いてください。ちゃんとチェックしますよ。